I just got back from the grocery store and it's time to put away my produce. And I want to show you easy ways to make your produce last 2 to 3 times longer. That's a huge money saver right there. I bought parsley and cilantro, and when you buy it in this form, when you put it in water and put it back in the refrigerator, it will seriously last 2 to 3 times longer. And then next we have spinach. I actually purchased spinach and arugula mixed. I have not seen that before. This is my first time. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna take these spinach or mixed greens, whatever it is that you have that comes in a container similar to this. Just take them out, put them in a separate bowl with your mixed greens. Just take your paper towels. I put one on the bottom layer, and you can just put one on the top, but I actually have noticed that it does last a little bit longer if you go ahead and put one in between, and they don't take up any space, so it's not really that big of a deal. Also, if you notice your spinach is starting to go and you have caught it in time, then just throw it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer, and then you can use it in smoothies. An easy thing that you can do with avocados is just fill the bowl with water, cover to the top, put them in the refrigerator. I also have green onions here, and a great way to help them last longer is to go ahead and wipe them down with a paper towel to make sure that there's none of that slimy moisture coating, and that will help them last a lot longer. And then also storing them in a Ziploc bag, and so you want to cut the ends off and then just cut them in half, and you're gonna wrap them in paper towels, and that will help to keep moisture away. Roll them in the paper towel, put them in the Ziploc bag. These are the first things to go in my house, so I was really happy to find a way to help them last a little bit longer. Get as much of the air out of that bag as possible, and then throw them in the refrigerator. When you bring home berries, what you want to do is inspect them to make sure that none of them are soggy or moldy, because if they are in with the other ones, they will make them go bad faster. Oh. If you transfer your berries into a glass jar, they'll last a lot longer. So as you can see, these are very easy and quick tips, and they will help your produce to last at least 2 to 3 times longer. Try it and let me know how it turns out for you. You guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.